This is not a test. The city of Moorpark has issued a severe thunderstorm warning, effective until further notice. This is not a test. We regret to inform you that we have reason to believe that the last message was a result of a hacking incident, and that there is no such thing as Ventura County or a town called Moorpark. We apologize for this inconvenience. This is not a test. The city of Santa Barbara County has officially confirmed that there is no county named Ventura or a town named Moorpark. The reason citizens are remembering these false counties and towns is currently unknown. It is most likely a toxin in the atmosphere. Stay indoors and stay safe. This is not a test. We have made a shocking discovery that at one point, there was a county called Ventura and a town called Moorpark, but somehow they completely disappeared from reality, and we have reason to believe the Simi Valley, Camarillo, and Santa Barbara are next. Sadly, there is no way to stop this. Enjoy your last few minutes.